Hey everybody, how you guys doing? This is Al from BoxBreakings.com here for the last break for the night. It is the 2011 Contenders football box break number 12. And actually, I think this is supposed to be 11. I don't know why I put number 12 on the website, but I stayed with it just because I didn't want to confuse anybody. But here we are anyways. It is July 21st. Your sell sheet up on the wall tells you which teams you own in the order of most teams owned to least teams owned. Looks like Tom B has outpurchased Jimmy F by one team. Tom's got 9 and Jimmy's got 8, followed by the rest of the folks. So time check here. It is now 10:20 p.m. East Coast time, July 21st, and your box of Contenders 2011 football. And I do believe this might be the last one that I have. Is that right? I got to check and see how many boxes were in a case and see if I have any more around here. They're not stacked up over here, so I think this might be the last one. Number, this is 352897 1, let me see here, 166. So that is your box number for the break today, and let's bust into it and see what you guys will take out of this one. Hopefully we end out a bang. I will verify. I may have a couple more around here somewhere. Gotta check it out there. Alright, you guys ready? Get comfortable. Got a lot of packs to go through. Zoom out, down just a bit, and we're off. Good luck. We have McCoy, Ray Rice, rookie roll call Eldon Smith, and Johnson Jr., Mike Wallace. Sometimes these packs are easy to open, sometimes they're not. Hightower, Ben Watson, Ronnie Lott, Sue, and Johnson. Turner, Thomas, Fred, Billittenkoff, something like that. Bryant, Brady. What's going on here? Is there something on the table? Sounds funny. Cards sound funny. That's weird. And Sammy, Manningham, Buccaneers, Claiborne and Bowers, and Barber, Hillis. Schaub, Freeman, Kerrigan, Davis, and Jones. And Kessel, Fitzpatrick, Vick, Harvin, and Lewis. Colston, McGee, and Charles Woodson, Kevin Cobb, Floyd. No autos yet. They're out there somewhere. Jennings, Schaub. There's one. Darren Evans for the Colts. Darren Evans first auto, followed by Barber and Hillis. I think we've already had Barber and Hillis. Very odd to have duplicates in this box. So we've got Indianapolis. Indianapolis is Neal and Amendola, Hakeem Nicks, Curtis Martin, and Bush, Cutler. Peterson, Manning, Williams, Smith, and Moreno. Palmer, Marshall, Bills, Darius and Williams, and Rice, Romo. and Moss, Mawaluga, and a Zach Pianalto for the Bucks. Gotta see if that's a short print because I've never seen that one before. Holmes and Stafford. So we've got Tampa Bay first spot up there. That is going to be for Tom up there. So he's not playing nicely. Bush, Henny. Looks like a gold Claiborne. That is going to be numbered out of 100, number 38. Followed by Eli Manning and Green. Going to move the first stack over here. McFadden, Johnson, and Dick Lane, the Night Train, followed by Hasselbeck and Lynch. Wayne, Wells, Zatzenbacher, and Orton, Jackson. These are actually quite sticky. And Bolden, Rogers, and a Cam Newton rookie roll call. Too bad that's not autographed. McCoy and Roddy White. Clark, Blunt, Smith, Roethlisberger, Beeson, McFadden, Johnson, and Redemption. Redemption card number, rookie ink, 34. That could be good. And of course I put my first stack on top of the rookie ink. I think it's on the back. Number 34 is, Daniel Thomas. Daniel Thomas right there. So Miami will get some ink in the form of a rookie. Bryant and Brady. Miami is that Mike? No, Miami's going to be Jimmy F. And Foster, Thomas. Oh, another redemption. And we got number 204. Rookie, or RPS, 204. 204 is right there. Greg Little. 204, and that is the Browns. Cleveland is Neal. Neal's got a couple autos right now. Johnson and Gore. I should be done with the redemption, or the checklist. 2 redemptions. 2 autos, 2 redemptions. That is outstanding. Charles, Jackson. The Saints, we've got Jordan and Ingram. Welker and Best. And Jackson, Evans, Finley, Branch, and Forte. Ryan, Jackson, Smith, Jackson. That's cool. Hall, Benson, rookie roll call, Williams, Austin, Sanchez. Last pack, folks. How many autos do we have? Just 4? Hopefully this has got one in it. Well, at least 5. Bowie, Bradford. That's 2 Bradfords too. It's strange you get duplicates. Greg Jones. There's another autograph. That's good. The Giants, New York Giants is... I passed it up somewhere along. Oh, Neil again. Neil. Doing well. Mojo and Larry Fitzgerald. So there you guys go. That is the 12th, well, 11th, 12th, something there. I don't know exactly which one, but one of those. And I'll find out if we're going to do some more of these things or not. I think I've got one laying around here somewhere. I just don't know where it went. I got to find it. So so stay tuned, and I will let you know if there's going to be another one posted. Just check it out and see if there's another one posted tomorrow. So thanks for joining this one, and we'll see you back here really soon. You guys take care.